Hi, I'm Sarah Tantillo, the creator of the Literacy Cookbook website and blog, and author of the Literacy Cookbook book, as well as several other books. I am here to give you a brief demo of ChatGPT for the purpose of creating decodable texts. If you work with younger students on phonics, you need decodable text for them to practice their phonics skills, and ChatGPT can help you do that. So I'm going to show you how to do that on ChatGPT very quickly. So I've logged into ChatGPT already. I'm starting a new chat. And I'm going to I like to start out by giving chat a role. So I'm going to say, you are a pedagogical expert on phonics. Type, create a 100 to 200 word text using short vowel sounds for second graders. And let's see what it does. Okay, it did not follow my directions. So I did ask it to create a text using short vowel sounds. Let me clarify for it. Please create a story using short vowel sounds. Okay, now it's following directions. So, I'm doing this in real time so that you get the idea of how chat operates, because what you put in will determine what you get out. Going back to the top, it did, I told it to be a phonics expert, so it demonstrated its phonics chops by giving some models and looking over the models. These model sentences are fine. They do model the short vowel sounds, so that's good. It gives you just a silly little game, but it didn't give me the story that I wanted, so I simply prompted it for the story. Now, one other thing I'm going to ask it for is, in the story above, which words use short vowel sounds? And let's see what it says. Okay. All right. I noticed some errors in this list just right off the bat. Explore sounds like a long O to me, and creek is definitely a long E, and cave is definitely a long A. So you would have to make those corrections. And again, this is a great illustration of why you need to vet the results that you get from ChatGPT and make sure that they're accurate, because they're not going to be 100% accurate at this point. So that's what you need to know. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and I'm happy to support you. Thanks again.